Hey, my name is Sam, aka Mr. 2 Pairs Minimum, and today we're going to take a quick look at the Air Max Plus by Nike in the Disco Purple Black Teal Nebula colorway. These released in August 2023 here in the UK for the retail price of £165, and it comes in a red and white Nike box. Inside the box comes the shoes wrapped in white paper. No accessories come with this pair, but we're not here for the box, so let's get right into the shoes. 2023 marks the 25th anniversary of the Air Max Plus, which meant a lot of general releases like these flew under the radar. It features the classic color blocking, this time with a white to gradient purple with black overlays and teal accents on the black swooshes, tongue tab, air bubble units and outsole. Nicknamed the reverse grapes for its fresh summer vibe that can be enjoyed all year round. This colorway I'll rate at 7 out of 10. The materials and overall build I'll also rate it at 7 out of 10. A solid package with nice leather accents. Sure, it's not premium, but a nice pair to grab under its retail price. Like other Air Max Plus pairs, I recommend going up half a size due to its narrow width. And as usual, purchase links will be in my YouTube video description. Thanks for watching, please comment Grape and drop a like to show me you enjoyed this video. Now let's discuss, did you pick these up, did you miss out or did you pass? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Apart from that, have a good day.